we are learning about grouping and sharing. So what is grouping? Grouping means to take objects that are all of different kinds and make them in little piles so that they are the same. So you are grouping them together so that they all have something that is the same. So here I have a whole lot of different things. There's lots and lots and lots of different things here. I've got sweeties, I've got Cokie pens, I've got pencil crayons. Now, this all looks like a little bit of a mess to me. So now I am going to group them into the different kinds of things. So I have, let's move them all to one side. I have a sweetie. I have a Cokie, and more Cokies, and pencil crayons. So I'm taking all of these objects and I am grouping them into the kind of thing that they are. So here are all my Cokies. Here are all my sweets. And here are all of my pencil crayons. So now we can see there are 3 different groups here. This group all looks the same, this group all looks the same, and this group all looks the same. So that is how we know that we have grouped some things, because they all look the same as the one next to them. We can also group in colors and shapes. So if I take these Cokies, now I want to group them in colors that are similar to each other. So some colors that are the same as each other. So in art, when we were at school, we did the warm and cool colors. So a cool color is blues and greens and purples, and warm colors are reds and pinks and oranges. So now I want to divide or group these crayons, these Cokies, into the warm and cool colors so that I can have 2 separate groups. So I'm going to put my blues and my greens and my purples and the black on one side and my warm colors on the other side. So now you can see these colors all look similar and these colors all look similar. So that is how we know we have grouped them. Sharing. We know how to share because everybody should be kind and share. But if I have 2 friends and I have 10 sweets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I want to share these 10 sweets amongst these 2 friends. So sharing means that they each get an equal amount. Equal means the same. So they're each getting the same amount of sweets. So grade 1s, we should know this because we have 10. What is half of 10? Half of 10 is 5. So we have 5 on that side and 5 on that side, which means that that friend gets 5 and that friend gets 5. But another way to do it, if you can't really think of what half of that number is off the top of your head, is you can say 1 for him, 1 for her, 1 for him, and 1 for her, 1 for him, 1 for her, for him. There we go. And how many are on each side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I only have 6 sweets and I need to share them equally amongst my 2 friends, I will do the same. What is half of 6? Half of 6 is 3. Or 1, 1, 1, 1. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, if we have a hard number like 5, Because if we say half of 5 is, that's a bit of a tricky one. So this one, we will go 1 for him, 1 for her, 1 for him, 1 for her. Now we have 1 sweet left. What do we do to the sweet to make sure that everybody gets a piece? We will chop it in half so that he will get half and she will get half. So each person gets 2 and a half sweets. See how easy that is? Now, I hope this has helped you remember what grouping and sharing is.